All right, so this is gonna be an unboxing of the Raptor liner. This is the US 1-quart kit. The code number is UP4801. So again, it's 1 quart, about a liter. And let's see what comes inside it. The company actually sent me this as a replacement for one of the bottles that came cracked. So here you have the liner, 711 or 24 ounces of material. Of course, when you add the hardener, it's right here. It makes up a liter or 32 ounces, right? So this is the hardener, small bottle, just to go with the bigger one. Inside here, you also get some promotional paperwork here. You have ways of using it, several different languages. As you guys might know, this product comes out of UK, so imported. What I noticed different from my bigger kit here is that, so this is the bigger kit. The bigger one came with this bottle, the smaller one with this one. They are the same quantity, but you see not exactly the same one, right? I mean, at least the sticker is not the same. So hopefully it doesn't have any different in the texture or different in the color. But yeah, the company made it hot right. I had one of the bottles, it came cracked. So they sent me a replacement kit for that bottle there. I'm not sure if this material here is still good or not. Some had leaked. I don't know for how long this has been broke like this. I'll try to mix with the hardener to see if it works. But here you have your UP4801 unboxing. Have another video, a complete video for the UP0820G that includes the spray gun for your review as well. Let's see what results we get in our staircase project. The stair that takes me to the basement. I'm gonna cover it with this Raptor liner. See what happens. Thank you, bye.